I admire those expert modelers who model precise locations and periods, but my skills are very basic. As you can see, I only have a small room about 14 feet by 5, but I'm pleased with what I've achieved over the past 2 years of spasmodic modelling. So instead of me being the only one to see it, I thought I'd share it with anyone who wants to look at it. I looked at various videos on how to build a lift-out bridge, but they were too complicated for my limited skills, so I devised my own method, which works perfectly. As sometimes I just like to sit and watch the trains go around, I needed a double-track cow chaser which left me with limited space for anything else, so I tried to create small scenes to make the limited space more interesting. Most of the buildings are Metcalfe, with some super quick, some scout scenes and a few small scratch built ones. Scout scenes are the cheapest but require the most work, so I prefer the Metcalfe ones as they are easy to construct with clear instructions to assist an amateur modeller like myself. Needs a few more people around. In fact, it needs a lot more people and a few more vehicles. When money is available, I will probably do that. There's a lot of detailing still to be done, especially around the deserted goodyard and the engine sheds. But I'll do it when I feel like it. I'm lucky that I can shut it away when I don't feel in the mood. As I live in Australia and I'm a long way from the nearest model shop, I buy most of my stuff from Hattons in Liverpool, England, who I've found very helpful when I have a query, and on the 2 occasions when there have been problems with my orders, have fixed things up with no hassles. As if any of you experts have watched, you'll notice there are anomalies in the period of my model. Mostly it's what I want and can afford, with the engines being models of engines I would have spotted in the 1950s, and the buses are of models that I drove in the 1960s and early 70s before migrating to Australia. If you've managed to watch through to this part, I thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please add them onto the comments.